The journey to circulation begins under strict security measures.
Automated separation keeps production organized and accurate.
Speed and accuracy are key as thousands of notes move simultaneously.
Trimming ensures that each note is perfectly uniform.
Every euro begins as a sheet of carefully crafted security paper. These sheets are the canvas for Europe's most secure currency.
Each sheet is examined meticulously to prevent flaws.
Precision cutting ensures every note meets strict dimensions. High-resolution scans detect even microscopic defects.
Alignment ensures every euro comes out perfectly registered.
From raw paper to press-ready sheet, the foundation of the euro is set. Every pallet moves under strict supervision, ensuring safety and precision.
Hydraulic systems make heavy pallets manageable and precise.
Every movement is logged to maintain absolute security. Coordination between humans and machines keeps production precise.
All materials are now in position for the first printed sheets to emerge.
From storage to press, every movement is orchestrated for perfection. Europe's euro notes
Every person entering is verified to maintain a secure environment. Every pallet is transported safely into the facility's controlled environment.
Clear pathways and strict routing ensure safety and efficiency.
The building itself is part of the security system, robust and monitored. Surveillance systems track every corner, every movement.
Once inside, materials enter a world of precision, ready to become Europe's currency. Every sheet is prepared for the exacting process ahead.
Ultraviolet scanning reveals the hidden elements that secure each note.
Orientation ensures every note is perfectly aligned for printing.
Automated sorting organizes sheets into precise production batches. Threads and foils are verified to ensure anti-counterfeit standards.
Any flaw is removed immediately, maintaining quality consistency.
Even minute alignment ensures that every security element functions.
Static-free sheets feed smoothly into high-speed presses.
Stacked and organized, sheets are ready to enter the printing phase.
Internal transport bridges preparation and production.
Cleaned, sorted, and verified, the sheets are now ready for the heart of the printing process. The first layer of ink transforms blank sheets into the beginnings of a euro.
Each hue is applied with precision to maintain the euro's distinctive design.
Multiple layers build up vibrant, secure patterns.
Even subtle variations in color are controlled to prevent counterfeit reproduction.
Tiny details are critical to both design and security. Automated separation keeps production organized and accurate.
Human oversight fine-tunes machinery for flawless results.
Automated quality control catches deviations before sheets advance.
After the first pass, blank sheets have begun their transformation into currency.
From ink to thread, the euro takes shape in this meticulous printing stage. Embossing creates the tactile features essential for recognition by touch.
Each note carries a unique serial code, a fingerprint of its authenticity. Each note carries a unique serial code, a fingerprint of its authenticity. Optical inspection ensures defects are caught before sheets progress.
Every note is traceable through its unique code and batch identification. Speed and accuracy are key as thousands of notes move simultaneously.
Multiple scanning layers guarantee that every note meets rigorous standards. Rechecking ensures that every note is correctly identified before finishing. Every serial number is verified before entering the finishing stack.
Automated sorting separates notes into the correct batches.
Sheets are moved carefully to the next stage of verification.
Optical systems detect even the tiniest imperfections invisible to the naked eye.
Visible inks are checked for placement, intensity, and security standards. Embedded threads are checked to ensure they are intact and aligned. Microprinted security elements must be razor-sharp and consistent. Labeled pallets are traceable and ready for secure storage.
After rigorous inspection, every note is verified and ready for the final journey to circulation.
Shrink wrapping protects stacks during transport and storage. Automated lifts store pallets efficiently and securely.
Continuous monitoring ensures the safety of stored currency.
Pallets are retrieved methodically for final dispatch. Transport begins under strict security protocols. Inside the facility, pallets remain secure until distribution.
Dispatch is coordinated with precision and accountability. And this is how modern factories produce euros from start to finish.
Every pallet is stored safely, ready for secure delivery.
Final shipments are secured and sealed, ready for transport.
The journey to circulation begins under strict security measures.
And this is how modern factories produce euros from start to finish.